Hello. Today I wanted to go over how to upload your recording for the auto attendant into the customer administration portal. So at this point, you should already have your recording saved to your computer and ready to go. So the first thing you want to do when you log into the customer administration portal is come over here to Enterprise Services and then come down to Auto Attendant. Now, depending on how many auto attendants you have, because there are going to be some companies that have multiple, you're going to select the proper auto attendant for which the recording is going into. So I'm going to go ahead and click Edit over here on the right-hand side. And then you want to make sure that you are going to be which one you're going to add it to. Is it the business hours menu or the after hours menu? So just make sure that you go into the proper one. So for this, we're going to go in and edit business hours menu. And then up here where it has main menu and then the play and browse button, we're going to click on browse. All right, fantastic. And then over here, we're going to click on upload file. All right, and then I have this here. We're going to select. I'm going to go ahead and select Enterprise. All right, so once it's uploaded, you then need to select it from the audio file list. So I'm just going to go ahead and select it there. If you need to, you can play it to hear exactly what it sounds like. And then I'm going to save. All right, and then I'm going to save changes here. All right, so update successful. So I'm gonna go ahead and close. So that's one way to go about it if you have the recording ready to go and you want to use it immediately. But let's say you have a recording that's done, you don't want to update the auto attendant right away, but you just want to put it into the repository, you can do that as well. And so what you can do is come in here to the announcement repository, and it automatically goes to location announcements. You can, if you need to, go over to service announcements. If it's not for a specific location and you just want to add it to the auto attendant service. So I'm going to do that here. So upload audio file, and then we're going to upload it to auto attendant here. And same process for uploading. I'm going to find it. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, attached and upload. Okay, and then there it is. So with this way, just going into the announcement repository, it makes it available to upload or to select later from the auto attendant browse menu, but it doesn't automatically select it. So depending on, if you want to use it right away, I would go directly in and upload it to the auto attendant. If it's for later use, by all means, put it into the announcement repository. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.